Hi everyone, welcome back to another hair commentary section, and today we want to look at flat twist. And in this video you're going to be seeing a tutorial, a detailed tutorial actually, on how you can do flat twist. As a beginner, this tutorial is detailed that even as a beginner, a fresher, you've not done it before, you can actually give it a try. You know, like I always say that whenever you want to make any hair for the first time, make sure you use a mannequin or you practice with any human around you, maybe your sister, your friend, your daughter, and you can repeat the process again and again before you get it. Okay, so back to it. Today we're diving into one of the most versatile and timeless protective hairstyle in the world. As you know, flat twist is a protective hairstyle, especially the ones that you do not add anything. Okay, but this video right here is actually the one with added extension. I have another video of a flat twist without an added extension. I will be linking it to this video, and if I forget to link it, kindly drop a comment for me in the comment section. And as you know, flat twists are a game changer, whether you're going for a chic everyday look, like you want to be the baby girl, or whether you do the updo flat twist, whether it's all back like you're seeing in this video, or the perfect base for a flat twist out. Okay, because most people actually do flat twist just to get a twist out coils. Okay, and whenever these people are doing it for this purpose, that's where you see that majorly they apply air mousse, so that by the time the twist is dry, by the time they'll be losing it out, it would stand, it won't get the coils is not going to scatter on time. So the basic essence of that is because of the coils, to get the coils. Okay, but let me tell you, this style isn't just about the aesthetics, it's about keeping your hair healthy and thriving, especially if you're not adding extension. But if you're adding extension, okay, it's still going to be good, right? If you don't hold it too tight at the beginning, make sure your gripping is not too tight. That's what I'm trying to say. After all, make sure your gripping is not too tight. So now let's talk about the techniques. The key to a flawless flat twist starts with preparation actually. So make sure your hair is properly detangled and moisturized. Okay, that's number one. First thing first, your hair is properly detangled and moisturized with a good leave-in conditioner and a bit of lightweight oil or twisting cream. Yeah, twisting cream can actually work wonders for you. So make sure your hair is well moisturized with a good conditioner and a lightweight oil for sealing in the moisture. Then a twisting cream. There is this particular twisting cream, lock and twist. That's what I know, but I don't usually like lock and twist because by the time it gets dried, it makes my twist very dry, and although it stays. That's why it's called lock and twist. It stays the way it is. Okay, so whatever twisting cream you have, just make sure it's an healthy one that carries the healthy alcohol. Okay, so flat twist involves, like you can see, that it involves sectioning your hair and twisting it down close to your scalp, picking up more hair as you go, from what you can see right here. And think of it as a 2-strand braid. It's kind of much easier to master. Yeah, it's much easier to master, unlike the normal cornrow that if you keep practicing. And the trick is maintaining even tension. Too loose and it won't hold, too tight and it could. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that you're going to make this flat twist in a way that it won't be too tight, so that you will not have breakage. I said it earlier before, don't make it especially from the beginning. Either you're using extension or not, make sure your hands are not too tight. If you're practicing with a mannequin, you can practice to the point of perfection, so that when you are making it on someone's head, okay, the tension, by then you would have mastered how good you are, how easy you can actually start, and how good you can get your hands on it. And what I absolutely love about flat twists is how versatile they are. You can style them into cornrow inspired patterns, you can lose them out as curls, you can even play with it whatever kind. Plus they work beautiful on all hair texture. So even if you don't have a relaxed hair and you use a natural if you don't have a natural hair and you use a relaxed hair, you can actually, for a relaxed hair like what we have in this video is a relaxed hair, you can have extension. The tag video are natural hair, so all hair textures. Then and there you have it, because you have the perfect flat twist after following all the instructions. And the style does not only protect your hair, but it also keeps it straight, which also, at the same time reduce tangling and breakage. And the best part is that it's beginner friendly. Yes, it's beginner friendly, and it always looks like you've spent hours in the salon, but it's actually beginner friendly. So if you're inspired to try this style, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, to put on your notification button, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more hair tips, for more tutorials, for more hair commentary videos, for more inspiration. Thank you for watching my video, and until next time, keep rocking your crown, your hair, with confidence, and remember that your hair is beautiful.
Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams ignited. 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 Hands create, hearts inspire.